Alright guys, it is Blockchain coming at you with another technical analysis update. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Corey, aka Blockchain. Starting off on my website, blockchaintrading.com. The link is below. Biggest thing I want to highlight in there is a quick description of the exclusive Discord that we have in there for technical analysis, options alerts, and crypto alerts. So no matter what market you're in, we have you covered. So a little intro about us. The three different levels of membership between the monthly, yearly, and lifetime. Starting off on the yearly, you actually get the full six segmented trading class that I have that covers a lot of the trading essentials that I use in my technical analysis, so you can follow along with me. And then, of course, the #1 trading strategy that I use for free. Just fill this little guy out and I'll send you a video demonstration on my #1 trading strategy that is consistent, profitable, reliable, and applicable to any market. So make sure you guys get in there and check it out, as well as with a couple testimonials here. So definitely get on and check it out. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the Discord. So let's go ahead, and speaking of which, I guess the Discord, let's take a quick look so that way you guys can see what's going on in there. So from a crypto perspective, we have KJ. He alerted us of a 122% gainer today. And then in the traditional markets, if you missed the last week, we have... Where is it? Where is his rundown? These are all the ones he had today. So last week he actually had a 3% or 3,000% confirmed profits from his calls last week. 2,000 the week before, 1,500 the week before. So just absolutely killing it. And then of course, and you can see some of our members' gains that we have here. So actually a couple option calls that I've had there. I had 1,000% gainer from my technical analysis that I posted. MDU Chow, sitting quite nicely with over 30,000% profit on some of his trades that he's been in. So all good stuff. So hopefully I'll catch you guys in there. But let's go ahead and dive into the charts and go over a couple things real quick. So a few things that we want to be looking for in regards to this move here on Bitcoin. So the pretty obvious one that everyone's looking at right now is the little triangle that we got going on here. And we're just overall just looking to break, and it does need to make a decision here in the near future. So I mean, I would probably say, we can go all the way to the, the 4th of June, 5th of June, roughly, and still be in there, but we got to make a decision one way or another. The bearish scenario that we will be looking at here is the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th, and then we'll be coming down again for a 5th. If we pull the fibs on this guy, let's see where that would put us. We could be looking roughly at back down to 28K for the third wave here was a little overextended, so we can come back down here to the 2.236, 28K, or the 2.618, get a little overextended on that one to 24K as well. From where we are currently, this is the 4-hour, the 2.618 would line up quite nicely with that support that we have there at 25. We also have these support zones here right at 32 that we would have to break to get there. And it's even possible we can just come back down and just tag these supports and then bounce right back off of it and get going. I know Bitcoin likes to come in and just set in a slightly lower low sometimes, which would put us right here at the 2.236, and then bounce off and take off running, and overall be looking at that as really just kind of an ABC right here with an overextended C. So let's go ahead and we'll put a little price label on these areas that we're looking for. Boom, boom, boom. So those would be the main ones. You can get the zone above it too. So that'd be the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario is that this guy here, is if we are looking at this, to have this right here as our first leg and having this as a potential A, this would be the B, and then going up for a C. Because I can see a 5-wave move here, depending if we had this on a smaller time scale. Again, this is the 4 hour, so this could technically be the 5th wave with an overextended 3rd. This would be a 5-wave move right here, having this as, you know, potentially a move back down for an ABC. So this would be our A, this would be the B, and then going up again for a C to come back up and retest 42K. And, you know, depending, we could be looking at this overall as just a complex correction for a bottoming formation to have us, you know, take off running again. So there's a couple things we can be watching for. Overall, it is in correction land, and that's what, you know, is sometimes, I guess, is the most difficult to trade, is, you know, just corrections. But as long as we're aware of some of the parameters we're looking for, but it's nice to see that on a 4 hour we are back out of the bullish control zone. I'm sorry, the bearish control zone here, and trying to find this as support. So if we find this as support, and then we could potentially take off running again and get back into the bullish control zone. So what we don't want to see is another rejection here that we saw on the bottom of the bullish control zone. We want to get back into it and take off running again. And obviously, if you're bullish, if you're bearish, I mean, you want these lower lows. Obviously, we do have another weekly support right here as well as at 26. So a lot of confluence right down here in this area if we do drop. Let's take a quick look at Riot, because that did break to the upside. We were getting that same triangular formation on Riot. And then we did break up, and it does look to be a little bit more bullish in regards to some more upward movement. That is a big reason why I'm following Riot as well, is because it's following Bitcoin to the T in regards to this overall move up. You know, we had a clean 5-wave move up, finished off the 3rd wave at the 1.618 WXY correction here, boom, boom, boom. And then looking at this guy to potentially take off, because we have this is our 1, 2. Have a nice little 3rd wave right here to continue on some upward momentum. And you can see that we are outside of the volume band. We are breaking into, actually not quite yet, we're close. We're not there yet, but trying to break back into the bullish control zone. But we did break the 50 line as well as a nice little buy signal here on the 4 hour on the market liberator. So things are definitely looking more bullish on Riot, which is on the New York Stock Exchange as a Bitcoin mining company. And it has, again, much cleaner count than Bitcoin. So it kind of takes off a lot of the mess. So I am leaning a little bit more towards a break to the upside, because we are seeing Riot break up. And, you know, I'm not, you know, we can, this can be a C wave. This be an ABC, and then about to come back down, as this could potentially could be another 4th wave. But that's not my preference at the moment, because even if you did pull this guy here, you know, we didn't, for an impulse wave, it's not quite there. Normally impulse waves hit the 1.618. You know, we bounce off the 1.236, which would, in my opinion, make this a zigzag correction here for a leg down, which is why I'm leaning for the WXY. If we do, you know, kind of pull the overall for the WXY here, of course, you didn't click. Let's try that one more time. Same thing, 1.236. So that's the way I'm leaning. That's what I'm looking for, guys. So we will definitely see. Last one to take a quick look at is ETH, as ETH has been definitely more bearish, or I'm sorry, more bullish than what ETH has. Man, I cannot talk today. Let's try that again. ETH has been way more bullish than what Bitcoin has. And you can see that right here, for what Bitcoin is in potentially a 4th wave, it looks like we had our 5th wave right here on ETH, finished it off, and starting off potentially a wave 1. This is our wave 2. You can see I was looking for entries down here at the 0.5, the 0.618 from my callouts on the Discord, and we definitely got those. And we are still coming on the up and up. So it's nice to see that we're finding support right here on the pivot. Looking for another bounce to take off. As you can see, this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for another one. Possibly come back up and retest the 2860. and see what kind of reaction we get there. So that's going to be the big one that I'm looking for, is we do have to break back over 2860, set in a higher high, but it's nice that we do have a higher low right here that we'll obviously be paying attention to, and trying to find support right here on the 50 on the RSI. And we did break into the bullish control zone. We kind of fell right back out of it, as well as got some resistance there on the volume band. So again, it's not looking super strong, but it is definitely looking a little bit more bullish than the others here. So other than that, guys, just want to do a quick video update, introduce you guys to the new members in the Discord, the new traders in the Discord. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in there. Make sure you guys check out the website. Reach out to me if you have questions, but again, hopefully see you guys in there so we can trade alongside each other, share some great ideas, and you know, let's get that crypto. Let's make it happen, guys. So thanks for the support wherever you're at in the world. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. I will catch you on the next video.